Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player. And today I'm going to show you how to improvise a solo, a simple solo over a chord. A lot of people ask me about learning scales. When you learn a scale on a guitar, it typically covers the whole neck. But you can improvise short little fills with a simple chord. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a pretty simple manner. And you can even play these with two fingers. You can play them with one finger if you really want. So it's a pretty good way to learn how to improvise your own solos over a chord. So to begin with, let's make an A chord, an A. To make this A bar chord, you're going to bar over the 5th fret, put your 3rd finger down here on the 7th fret, your pinky's going to go on the 7th fret of the D string, and you're going to put your 2nd finger on the G string here on the 6th fret. And for some simplicity's sake, let's just play an A chord right now. Just one chord, simple enough. So what you have there is this A chord, and then I was playing an A minor pentatonic scale over it. Minor pentatonic scale. To play that scale, basically it's going to be a bar on the 5th fret, and on the low E string you're going to go from the 5th fret to the 8th. On the A string you're going to go from the 5th fret to the 7th, the D string to the 7th, G string is going to be 5/7, and then on the B and the E it's going to be 5/8. So play your chord. So if you have a friend you can play with, you can take turns, one person playing a chord. It can be very simple, it could be this. Now, if you want to, I don't know, make this a little more colorful, you can make it the blues scale. And by adding 2 notes to this, you can make it the blues scale. You're going to add the 6th fret on the A string. And on the G string, you're going to add the 8th fret. And that would be like this. And then for your chord progression, you can leave your pinky up, and it makes it an A7. And that makes it a little more bluesy sounding. And you can do this. And if you want to make your chord progression a little more interesting, you can go from an A you can add these two chords, a D and an E. To do that, you're just going to take your fingers and you're going to move them down the fretboard one string. Then you're going to use your third finger to bar across these three strings. And you can slide them both up 2 frets. Then go back to that A. So once you learn these notes, you can play that scale and you can solo along to that, improvise a solo along to that chord progression. Now, if you have mobility issues, you can play this, the minor pentatonic, with just 2 fingers. I've seen people play it with these 2 fingers. And while you're going through those notes, don't try to get in a hurry too much, because a lot of old blues players went very slowly. If you listen to B.B. King, he did a lot of very slow things, so you don't need to. You don't necessarily need to play like Stevie Ray Vaughan or Jimi Hendrix to get a blues sound. A lot of blues players play very slowly. You can move this to any fret you want. And it transfers throughout. So I hope you like this. I hope it helps you out. You can make your own guitar solos. If you have a friend you can play along with, you can take turns playing chords and solos. And it really gets you to be more relaxed when you're playing. So I hope this helps you out. Thank you and have a great day. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It's entirely free and it helps us out a lot. So thank you. Have a great day.